Hello everyone, welcome to a session on interviews. I'm Neeraj from 7 Sense Talent Solutions. Now, here's the need of the hour. What are the things that you need to know before going to an interview? Chronological outline of your education. First thing. So you need to know a chronology means ordering things date wise. So chronological outline of your education. What have you done recently? What have you done before that? Like for example, you're doing your undergraduation or post graduation, and previously you have done your uh, you know plus twos, or previous to that your 10th. So chronological outline of your education is very much needed. So you need to be clear on when did you finish. Dates are very important when it comes to interviews. Next, your strengths and weaknesses. So you need to know what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. See, do not give this lame answer, right? I do not have any weakness. See, it's we are all human beings. We do have weaknesses. So identify what is that weakness. And I'm going to tell you, interview is a place where they evaluate you in every different angle. Your characteristics, right? Your attitude, everything is analyzed in the interview. So know your strengths and know your weaknesses. As a person, you should be knowing your strengths and weaknesses. And then skills related to the job profile, and this is obviously important. So you need to know this right skill set which is required for this job profile. See, I've seen common mistakes that we do while preparing our resume, right? For example, a mechanical engineer. Now a mechanical engineer who was applying for a design or a mechanical engineering job, he will write C or C++, Java, Python as a skill in the skill section of his resume, right? And the HR will wonder, what will I do with the C and C++? Because C and C++ or any other programming language or digital marketing or whatever, it doesn't come to help in this. But what comes to help for him, maybe his designing software like CATIA, Pro, whatever. So these comes to help to the job that he is applying. So emphasizing on those skills, giving examples of where have you worked and how have you used the skills, maybe an internship that you have done using these creative skills, or a project that you have done, a vision of the future. What is your vision to the future, using these particular skills that you have. So skills related to job profile is very important. Next, a creative resume. Now, yeah, resume is also a most crucial part when it comes to job interviews, because that is the only document or only sheet or only thing that a question can come to you, from where a question can come to you, because the HR or an interviewer doesn't know you in personally. He will have to ask questions only from documents that you have produced. So make sure you make that best impression when you create a resume. Probably I'll take another class on how to build a creative resume. Stay tuned for that. So building a creative resume and putting right information into resume is very important. And last but not the least, grooming. So probably we overlook this. There are simple and small mistakes which you wouldn't have even thought will cost you an interview, right? So grooming is the most or crucial part of an interview. It is also a most crucial part of an interview. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next one.